Hey guys, it's Robert, Kilted Gardener here. Just bringing you a quick little episode. I'm making a beef vegetable soup for dinner. Probably won't be ready till tomorrow, but we'll have it prepared and ready to eat for the week. So I'll take you around and show you what I'm doing, and then I'll put this video up. Sorry for the elbows in here. Let me flip you around. So I got some beef chuck that I'm cubing up, and then I'm putting it in our cast iron Le Creuset pan and sauteing that off. Yep, I got Bo in the background, about to be one. So that, some onions and garlic, and then I'll throw the other ingredients in when I bring you guys back. Alright guys, so I will bring you back for another round here in a few minutes after I get all this cubed up and started rendering out. Alright, talk to y'all in a little bit. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm gonna now season the beef since it's nice and brown with some salt, some pepper, some celery salt, which is like MSG, gives you that umami kind of flavor, and some garlic, granular garlic as well, dried granular garlic. And then I will pull the beef and then throw the onions and garlic in to cook off, and then I'll add some tomato paste and cook that off, and then I'll deglaze the pan and add the beef back and throw the rest of the ingredients together, and I'll show you all that. Alright, I will be right back guys. Hey guys, so I got the tomato paste and the onions in here. I'm going to let that soften a little bit. The beef's over here. That'll go back in after I deglaze the pan after sauteing the onion and garlic and tomato paste. And I'll show you what I deglaze with. I do with a little beef broth and also some Marsala wine. So let me get this cooking. I'll bring you back once I deglaze the pan and get all that together. Alright, be back in a minute. Alright guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna deglaze with the Marsala and then the beef broth, and show you how all that works out. Bring you right back. Okay guys, so I'm bringing you back. I deglazed with the Marsala and the beef broth. As you can see, all the crusties are off the bottom, which is the good stuff, the flan. Scrape that off, and I'm gonna add the beef back in here. Sorry for the camera. Don't have it on a tripod, which I should have done. Been easier. So I'm gonna add this beef back in. Level it all out. And I'll bring you right back with the last ingredients. So my last ingredients, guys, is tomato juice. That is the key ingredient for this beef soup, stew, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to dump those in, and then we're going to let the beef simmer till it's tender, and then I will add a package of frozen vegetables, and that is called beef soup, beef vegetable soup, and that's it. That's all it takes. Alright guys, I'm going to dump this in. I'll show you what it looks like once it's dumped in real quick. Okay guys, so I got the tomato juice in there. I'm going to bring it up to a low simmer, and then we'll just wait until the beef becomes very tender, add our vegetables, and then it'll be ready to serve. Alright guys, I'll bring you in for the end. Alright, it'll be a little bit. Bye. Oh, and a real quick step. I usually cook it uncovered so it can thicken. Just wanted to let you guys know that as well. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been a little bit. It's been probably about 45 minutes to an hour. The meat's starting to break open pretty easily, break apart. And this is when I add my vegetables. I got some mixed veggies, and I just dump those in. I'll add these real quick, and then I'll bring you back, and then I'll probably add some tomato juice to thin it out just a tad. and it's reduced by half. So, and then over time of eating it, it will thicken as it progresses. Alright guys, let me throw the vegetables in and I'll bring you back. Hey guys, so we're back. It's nice and piping again. Vegetables been added. I'm going to add a little tomato juice just to thin it just ever so slightly. And let that get warm again, and I'll bring you back when we serve it. And I'll have Kilted Mama try it. See if it's good. Alright guys, I'll bring you back at the end. Talk to you later. Alright guys, so the soup's done. Some hearty bread. And there's your bowl of soup. I'm going to try to take a bite while I'm on camera here. Hey guys, so find out. Try to get a little piece of beef in there too. Nice and tender, nice and tasty. So that's how us at the Kilted Gardener channel make beef vegetable soup. Hope you guys enjoyed this little episode. If there's any questions, leave them in the comment. Kilted Mama's not feeling good tonight, so we will get her tasting it some other time. You guys have a great night, and I will talk to you all later. If you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, and let me know what other things you'd like to know in the past or in the future for me to do. Alright guys, talk to you later. Kilted Gardener, out.